Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll go through some time-saving tips on using the Alt and down arrow keys. So here I have sample data, and if I want to add a new record to this list, standing in the branch, because I have some branches up here already, if I want to enter, say, Kumasi again, I can press Alt down arrow. So standing in this empty cell, when you press Alt down arrow, it gives you a unique list sorted A to Z on all your previous entries. So you can now click, select Kumasi, and then enter. It's a time-saving trick. So here, if I step down again and I want to enter Takoradi, in the empty cell, I'll press Alt down arrow together, and then I select Takoradi. Another way you could use this is when you have filter icons. You can use Ctrl-Shift-L. Ctrl-Shift-L activates the filter icon. If you see any filter icon, you can select the items under the field using Alt down arrow. So Alt down arrow opens this dialog box, and you can proceed to uncheck or check the items you are interested in. Another way you could use the Alt down arrow is to access the list in a data validation. So here in cell G4, I want to create a drop-down list on these salespersons. The shortcut is Alt DL. So when I press Alt DL, it gives me the data validation dialog box, and I want to create a list. So in any value, I'll come create a list, and then I'll point to the source of the list, which is this, and I'll click OK. What this means is when I step in this cell, instead of using the mouse to drop this down, I could just press Alt down arrow, and then I get a list of the names in my source list. So 3 ways you can use it: to enter data that has already been captured in the field. You can use Alt down arrow to access a filter icon and get the filter dialog box to uncheck or check boxes. And you can also use it to drop down a data validation list. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our WhatsApp broadcast list. We send these short videos directly to your WhatsApp on Mondays and Fridays. You can also watch our old videos on Excel Hacks for Productivity on YouTube. Click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.